How did I not learn this before? Everyone's gonna start frying lettuce in a pan with a bit of oil. Add some lettuce leaves here. Next, we'll add 6 beaten eggs. Once the eggs start to brown, flip and cook the other side. When it looks like this, chop the eggs finely. It'll look like this. Then add diced onion, bacon and sausage and mix well. To season, I'll use a bit of salt and black pepper. Add a tablespoon of butter or margarine, some cassava flour, and mix it again. This is the perfect consistency. Now let's finish by adding some parsley or chives on top. Use as much as you like. Once that's done, folks, our farofa is ready. And just look how amazing it is. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. A super tasty farofa, perfect for lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time and thanks.